This is Elexa, Elexa, not to be mistaken for Alexa, who might be on your phone or your devices at home. So Elexa is this fun heart, dainty heart. You've got the paperclip chain and the lock. I'm on a smaller neck tonight, so I was just trying to keep up shorter. So you've got the lock is the long piece, the paperclip chain is the middle piece, and the dainty heart is the short piece. Now, they do come, I want to show you this here, all together in one necklace, but you can take them apart. You see right here, each one of them has its own section. So what that means is you can wear them all together. You can wear just two of them. You can wear just one of them. So I'm going to give you just a quick example by tossing this heart behind, but of course it does come off. If I wanted to wear ambrosia with this look, I could do that. How fun is that, right? I could also just wear the ambrosia and just the paperclip chain. So talk about a perfect vacation necklace. Alexa comes in gold and silver. So you could take Alexa in gold, Alexa in silver, and maybe one or two other pieces, and you could have a week's worth or more of different necklace looks, and you would never have to wear the same look twice. So tonight I'm going to pair Alexa with our Chantel earrings. Now this is my favorite way to pair Alexa because I love that the chain link on these earrings matches the chain link on Alexa. So the Chantel earrings are hoops. They are what I would call a medium hoop. They are some of our larger hoops, but they are a medium hoop, and they just pair so well with our Alexa necklace. And then for the bracelet, I went ahead and grabbed Rika in gold because, I mean, you've got to keep it simple, right? If we're doing vacation. Of course, you could also grab the embraceable in gold for this look as well. So let's say embraceable or Rika with the Chantel earrings. Go ahead and write those down, and the Elexa, Elexa. She is definitely a staple requirement. Alexa is one of my best selling necklaces. Very popular customer piece.